Hi everyone, my name is Monica Leyman-Sacristan and I am the creator of Balance. I wanted to bring the world of ballet and the amazing training that ballet is into your world. So you can do this in the comfort of your own home. You just need a little bit of space and you're good to go. So in the living room, a bedroom, wherever. Music is modern, it's contemporary, and I wanted to give you that contemporary modern touch so you would feel that you're actually doing a fitness program and not an old school classical ballet.